Raja Susila Holistics. Today we will see how are the love energy for Leos. Very recently we have undergone a lunar eclipse. Lunar eclipse will definitely tell upon our mind. It will make our mind feel lot of agony, lot of distress, lot of thinking and overthinking, illusionary fears, phobias and all. And moreover, when it is in conjunction with Venus, it will tell upon our love life also. So for every zodiac it is like that. For some of them it will be beneficial and some of them it will be negative according to their zodiacs. And now we will see what the Leos have in store for them, what the universe is sending message for the Leos this week. We will see. The first message is rhinoceros, be strong and courageous. You should stay strong and courageous. Leos are already, you are strong and courageous. There is no thing that you are not courageous or not strong. You people are very strong and courageous, but be more strong and be more courageous at this time. That's what the universe is sending you a message. We will see what more message the universe wants to tell you. Another message from the universe is Kingfisher. Be patient and focused. At the same time, being strong and being courageous, be also patient. Patience also needs lot of courage to be patient, because patience is not a play or sport. Being patient needs your mind to be very strong and courageous and be focused of what is happening and how things are going to unveil. For that you stay focused and see. Now we will see in the tarot cards what it has to tell you about your past, your present and future for this week as far as your love life is concerned. For your past, we have got the card King of Pentacles. King of Pentacles say that the situation is as such. You are very much in a delusion. You are in a illusion that whatever is happening is not happening right, or something bad is happening behind you. You are in a illusionary fear about your relationship. You fear for the outcome. For all small things, small incidents also, you make it mole out of mountain and think more and more of it, and your illusionary fears go a long way in making it more complex. Your present situation is Ace of Wands, but at the same time you are able to control your mind and see the positive things in it. Sometimes even if you are in illusion and fear, the other side of you have lot of wisdom and intelligence which makes you to see what's happening, the right things happening there, what all hopes you see there. The universe is sending you more hopeful messages for you to tackle this. And 10 of Pentacles you have got. 10 of Pentacles say that this time is very good for you. Your partner may be proposing to you now. You will be going for a committed relationship. It is the time that you receive something from your partner. The time is good for you. And 4 of Pentacles says because of your illusionary fears and illusionary thinking, you may feel that whether I should accept it or I shouldn't accept it. What should I do? Should I give more time for before taking the decision? That will be your thinking. And your future, 10 of Wands says that you will put lot of pressure for your mind to stop it from going to your partner. You will feel that I have to give more time, I have to test them more, I have to see whether their love is real. All these illusionary fears and phobias, whatever you have, you want to give each one of it a reasoning and see what it is and how it is before taking a decision, and you will feel that you should think more and more about it and give time about it. And the next card is Queen of Cups. Queen of Cups says that it's not like that. Somebody will tell you, somebody, a elderly person, an elderly woman will come in your life, and maybe your mother, your friend, or your sister, elder sister, or somebody like that will tell you what all is illusion and what is right, and it is the right time to take the right decision. And your wisdom will also help you that you take the right decision, and you give more importance to your heart. Giving importance to your mind is also very important, but not at the rate of losing your partner. So give more thought and be wise in taking the decisions, and you will be wise in taking the decisions. And now you have got the card Six of Pentacles, so you will agree for it. You will agree for the relation to happen, and you will be in a committed relationship, engagement, or you will agree for it with your partner. You will be balancing and seeing your illusions are more weightage for you, or your partner is of more weightage for you, and you will lean towards your partner more than your illusions. And the other card says Ace of Cups, so definitely there is going to be a happy ending for your love life. You will get into a committed relationship, engagement, or marriage can be on the cards, and your love life is going to be very good. So what message you have got from the universe this week? Concluding message we will see. You have got the strength of character always shines. The character of your partner will shine in such a way that you will feel that you have to accept the proposal made by them and enter into a committed relationship. So enjoy, guys. If you like our video, kindly like it, share it, and subscribe it.